Ayan guys. Jogging tayo ulit. Dito tayo sa woods. Pero marami nagja-jogging doon. Good morning! Kasi mag-asawa, matapanapin sila guys. 60 plus or 70. So madami talaga dito ng araw. Hi, good morning all. Diba? Marami tayong nag-great. Yung asawa ko nasa unahan. Malapit na ako sa kanya. Kasi bumalik ako para kumuha ng phone ko at itong selfie stick. Ayan mo. So dito tayo sa woods. Diba? Napalibutan tayo ng woods. Si Haring Araw. Ayan na. Ayan, may papalapit na tao.
Please subscribe Flora USA Life Vlog.
Nakausap siya sa phone. Ayan. So jogging ulit tayo guys para maabutan natin yung asawa ko. So, tanggalin ko na tong sombrero ko. Dahil mainit na eh. Layo ang asawa ko. Good morning. Another good morning. So, malapit na ako sa asawa ko. Ayan. Dahil matagal tayong hindi nakapag jogging at saka walking.
Please subscribe
Ito,
Flora
hinihingi ng
USA Life Vlog.
asawa ko, nakikita niyo ba? Ayun na, lumalakad sa malayo. Medyo malayo siya sa phone. Pero malapit na ako sa kanya, guys. Hindi siya tumatakbo or nagja-jogging dahil meron siyang nararamdaman sa tagiliran niya. Sabi ko mag-exercise kami or mag-walking. Kaya napili niya mag-walking. Parang may rancho dito. Rancho. Ano, dalawa na naman. Yung asawa ko, panayan, looking back. See, my husband is there. Look at my husband. My My husband is there. Mayroon naman grupo na nagja-jogging puro babae. May isang lalaki pala. At saka may isa ring matanda. Good morning. Yan sila. So maraming joggers dito guys. Pero mayroon na talaga. Good morning. Diyan tayo sa gawin. Nag-walking. Good morning. Yeah, it's a big house. Huh?
Ritzy company.
Oh, really?
And
The owner of this
they're
land?
gonna sell it, yeah. Or they sell
This is
it.
the owner of land? Someone get inside the house, eh?
Yeah.
Emergency. Emergency, emergency.
You know, the AT&T, they're gonna sell accessories for phone.
Huh?
Accessories for phone.
Phone accessories?
AT&T, yeah, for wireless phone.
Oh, okay.
And the company right there own to stay. That's the
Oh.
thing. And then they destroy and
For the
sell it.
network.
Yeah, for this.
Yeah. See? We are walking now together.
Company right land, ship, they destroy it. And they sell it. Make a lot of money.
Okay. That's good for them. They have a lot of money.
Yeah.
We are business
Yeah.
people.
Ritzy company. Oh my God.
I feel hot already.
Yeah.
Jogging, walking, jogging, walking. Then I got sweat. Okay. Now we turn. You have to turn to get there? No. So, babalik na kami kasi nasa finishing line na. Finishing line. See? We are at the finishing line. My husband is walking. Yeah. Morning. See, we are here now. Walking. So, ito yung mga dinadaan natin guys.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you on my next video. Bye bye.
So, malayo na yung asawa ko. Malayo na yung narating niya. Bayan dito pala. Kasi nakabalik ako. So, pumapawis na ako dahil jogging at saka lakad yung ginagawa ko.